somebody stole one of my videos and got more views than me in one day. I'm like, man, it's something they know I don't know. I'm like, it gotta be something. Yeah, I was like, man, dude stole my video. Well, I can't say all that because one dude stole my video and got more views than me. But damn, what he got? And he only had 236 subscribers. Yeah, I was confused. I'm like, why I ain't got no 1,000 like videos? Not even 500. 600. What a 600 likes at? I got 6,000 views.
Give him 60 foot.
Yeah.
Beat him still.
He said, he got small block with some headers. What you got? That's what I said. I don't know. That's why I said we'll get off of her. What that other dude had, power to pushing, man. Some hues in the wig, you'll blow up. Better start using Simba as a thumbnail, my boy. I need to get her a good picture of her. I need a good picture of her with it hanging real. Them tights she be wearing getting views. Put big booty girls on the thumbnail. Okay. I'ma try that. Yeah, I'ma try that. Klepto Killer 78. Okay. Look out. He in the building, y'all. Who was that? Austin. Okay, appreciate the follow, Austin. I ain't turning gay for no views now. What else I was gonna tell you? Yeah, man. I just find it hard to get the views and the likes. You know you need the likes on YouTube in order for them to like promote your video. So I ain't getting no likes. I'm getting the views. I ain't getting no money. I ain't getting no like. I'm done.
Man, that's the most work they've done since day one.
Hey, man, how drunk you is? What's in there?
No, I'm not drunk.
Oh, you ain't drinking today? What's in there? Some beer in there again?
Yeah, I got beer. What do you drink?
I drink liquor, man. Grey Goose and pineapple.
You drink at Everclear 190.
Nah, I don't play with all that. That's too much, man. I'm trying to enjoy
it's 190 proof.
I don't need no 190. I need 30 or 40. I don't want no ounce. That's too much. What you trying to do?
Well, mix it.
I don't want to do no mixing. I ain't doing no mixing.
But it's still the Carolina Reapers. That's fine. Hey, get up here.
Yeah. Block bleeders in the building, y'all. Appreciate the follow. I kind of like that name. He ain't bleeding no block though, or is he? Josiah 37. Appreciate the follow. Klepto Killer. He probably a Call of Duty player. He be playing Call of Duty, get 20 kills, think he doing something. Saw me at Murders and had to find me. Oh, we got Fox by the King sub, y'all. What's up with it, Fox by the King? did you find me on Murders, Redneck? And how did you find me? Somebody else in the chat was saying, told you who I was? How that go now? Because I know he ain't promoting it no more, so I wonder how would somebody find me on his channel. Is that possible still? I know he be moving the camera when I walk by. Oh damn, like 5 minutes ago? How did you know it was me? How did you know to look up, look out racing? Somebody in there told you? I heard he blocked the last person that said my name over there, so y'all better watch it. Nah, I ain't get the green belt for the lane for the win, man. Oh, that's Fox by the King, DB Knife, man. What's up with it? Yeah, man. Well, shoot, I'm glad you came over here and joined. This big go jump harder than murder 100% in due time. Y'all keep looking out. Already, Junior Y.Me in the building. He has spoken. And I seen you on Twitch, damn that shady. DB Knife, that's my boy, y'all. I'll go over to his stream and fuck with him. Oh, god damn, outside for they go. I seen you on YouTube and came looking already, man. I'm glad they came looking, man. Y'all see the little feet, little 4-cylinder, man. Little 4-cylinder. And a little big block. You know about that little big block. Y'all don't have to hate on each other, stream and support another. Ah, man, I don't do no hating. I ain't worried about it. Hell, I'm used to being at the bottom. It can't hate that much. It look funny when you at the bottom hating. I don't like hating at the bottom. Nah. You really look like a hater when you're on the bottom, man. God damn. Like hating consists of lying and all that. I can't remember them motherfuckers. I can't remember no lie no more. This me, bro. Oh, the block bleeder. Oh, okay. I ain't know that was you. I ain't know that was you, man. You better speak up. I'm gonna remember now, though. I'm getting my memory. I'm getting a computer tune done on it so I can remember a little bit better, man.